10 creative Easter basket ideas for a fun and festive celebration. Easter is just around the corner, and it's the perfect time to put together a festive Easter basket. While candy-filled baskets are always a hit, there are plenty of creative ways to make Easter extra special for kids, adults, and even pets. In this video, we'll share 10 unique Easter basket ideas that go beyond just chocolate and jelly beans. Let's get started. 1. Classic candy-filled basket. You can never go wrong with the classic candy-filled Easter basket. Fill a wicker basket with chocolate bunnies, pastel jelly beans, marshmallow peeps, and foil-wrapped chocolate eggs. Add a plush bunny or a personalized chocolate egg for an extra special touch. 2. DIY craft basket. For kids who love to create, a craft-themed Easter basket is perfect. Swap out the candy for colored pencils, stickers, sketchbooks, and craft kits. Include egg decorating supplies like die kits and paint markers so they can enjoy a fun Easter activity. 3. Garden-themed basket. For nature lovers, a garden-themed basket is both fun and educational. Fill it with flower or vegetable seed packets, small gardening tools, and a mini watering can. Kids will love growing sunflowers, while adults might appreciate specialty flower bulbs or succulents. 4. Book lovers basket. A book-themed Easter basket is great for all ages. For kids, include Easter-themed storybooks like The Tale of Peter Rabbit. For adults, add novels, poetry collections, or faith-based books. Throw in a cozy blanket and a tea sachet for a perfect reading experience. 5. Healthy snack basket. If you're looking for a healthier alternative, fill an Easter basket with dried fruit, granola bars, organic fruit leathers, and protein-packed snacks. A reusable water bottle or smoothie cup makes a great addition for health-conscious recipients. 6. Spa and self-care basket. Treat someone to a spa day at home with a self-care Easter basket. Include bath bombs, scented candles, face masks, and essential oils for a relaxing experience. A plush towel or silk sleep mask makes it even more luxurious. 7. Sports and outdoor fun basket. Encourage kids to stay active with a sports-themed Easter basket. Fill it with jump ropes, sidewalk chalk, frisbees, or mini sports balls. For older kids, add bike accessories like LED wheel lights or a water bottle holder. 8. Baby's first Easter basket. For a baby's first Easter, go for soft and cuddly gifts. Include plush toys, a teething ring, an Easter-themed onesie, and a board book. A personalized baby blanket makes this basket extra special. 9. Movie night basket. A movie night basket is perfect for a cozy Easter evening. Include family-friendly Easter movies like Hop or Peter Rabbit, along with popcorn, candy, and comfy socks. You can even add a mini projector for an outdoor movie experience. 10th. Pet-themed Easter basket. Don't forget your furry friends. Fill a pet-friendly Easter basket with treats, chew toys, and a festive bandana. Dogs will love plush bunny toys, while cats will enjoy catnip-filled toys and gourmet treats. Final thoughts. Easter baskets don't have to be just about candy. Whether it's books, crafts, or even spa gifts, you can create thoughtful and personalized baskets for everyone. Which Easter basket idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun ideas. Happy Easter, and see you in the next video.